Today we are doing a walkthrough on how to remove the jack on your Sonoma or S10. There is a wing nut screw, you undo that here, remove the jack components. If everything is complete, it should look like this once all removed. You will want to find something to put underneath the jack mount to keep the shavings out of the carpet. There is 6 spot welds, you want to just drill them out. It should then look like this. I just used silicone to fill the holes. That is what I had on hand. I did realize I forgot to take photos of removing the back paneling. The hard top panel has a couple pins that hold it in place, and once those are released, you lift it up towards the headliner and it will come free. The carpet has a couple pins on the top, more or less slides into the sides of your cab. From there you are good to go. This is a after shot of the spot welds where you want to drill out, and these are the tools you will be looking for. A hammer. I used a punch just so I could start the drill without it walking around. A drill and drill bit. Simple. Takes all of 15 minutes to do. Have fun.